when I think of like why do acquisitions work, and I think I'd point to two items in particular. A management incentive plan, so everybody's incentivized to work together and in the right way, and the rewards are aligned. And also I think about some of the companies that I've worked with that do a lot of acquisitions. They have sort of key metrics that they use as guardrails to keep people on the same page, but they let those entrepreneurs continue to do what they do best, which is grow the company and take it in different directions and things of that sort. But I think of a life science related company that was doing, I don't know, at least a dozen acquisitions a year, in some cases well over that amount. And they just had a basic framework of managing working
Mhm.
capital and capex and EBITDA margin, that sort of stuff. But they kind of let management do their thing, and
Mhm.
so those are the things that I point out.